This will again be a round 2 or round 3 question. We have to make the graph of this and this. So let's see this. If we just see that what is the graph of y equal to x. So the graph of y equal to x will look like this. Now if I replace x with mod x, what will happen that for the negative value of x, you will get the same value which are for positive values of x. For example, at x equal to 1, you are getting this value of y. Now for if you put x equal to minus 1, it will act like plus 1 also. So you will get the same value which you are getting at x equal to 1. So the value of y will be same for 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 and so on and so forth. That means this part will be removed and this will become like this. So this is the graph of y equal to mod x, as you already know. Okay. Now if I put mod in this part also, what will happen? The negative values of y will also becomes positive. So mod x is equal to mod y will look like this. This is the graph of mod x equal to mod y, because I can put negative values of y also. So at x equal to minus 2 will be same as y equal to minus 2 is same as y equal to plus 2. Right. So this is the graph of mod x equal to mod y. Now here it is y minus 3. That means you have to shift this graph by 3 unit upwards. If it is minus, that means upwards in y, right? So it will go like this upwards. And x plus 3, that means you have to shift it on the left hand side. Okay, that means the graph will be shifted to 3 unit upside and 3 unit left hand side. So this point or region will become like this. So at minus 3 comma 3 will be your intersection point now. This is the graph of mod of y minus 3 equal to mod of x plus 3. And you are talking about x between minus 6 to 0. That means this point. And 0 to 6, that means this point. Now y equal to 5a raised to the power x. You know that for a more than 1, y equal to a raised to the power x, the graph will look like this. Okay, so into 5 will give you the same point, so graph will look like this. Okay, the only thing here is whether the graph passes through this point or not, right? So as we do not know the value of a here, right? So according to the value of a, the graph can shift either ways. So if the graph will be like this, it will cut this equation at, or the graph at 2 points. But if you change the value of a, it can happen that the graph will pass at this point. So the number of intersection point can be 1 also or can be 2 also. And the minimum and the maximum value will be 1 and 2. Option D.